Hello. In this recording, we're going to actually show you how to create a Zip2Go file that you can share with your Mastercam dealer or with another company that you might be working with. They'd like to have your file, your posts, all kinds of configuration files and things like that that you're using with your Mastercam. So to be able to create a Zip2Go file, what we're going to do is we're going to go up here where it says Help. We're going to say Zip2Go Utility. And in here you'll see this options. So one of the first things I want to do is check, for example, my configuration and see where is it actually putting this file. So if I wanted to, I could actually select the option to go out and put a different location. In this case, I have it showing my desktop, and if you could see my first and last name on there, and it's ready to be sent to that. So I'm going to go ahead and green check that, being that I like the configuration. I decided that I'd like to have it implement the config files, post processors, toolpath files, and the tool library. So what I'm going to do from there is I'm going to go ahead and say create Zip2Go. In this case, I already had one, so I'm going to say yes. You'll see it creates a .ztg file, Zip2Go. On that, I'm going to tell it to go ahead and overwrite that. And what it does is it compiles and looks at all the information, grabs your config files, your machine definitions, your key libraries, everything that you need, including the actual file and its operations you're using on that, and creates a Zip2Go file that you can share. So now that somebody can get it and open that file. So for example, I'll go ahead and close this, and then I'll say Help, Zip2Go. I'll go File. In this case, I'm going to jack out here for a second, and Alt File New. Help, Zip2Go, File. I'm going to say Open, and I'll go to my desktop, and I'm going to look for that Zip2Go file. Here we go. Open that up. You can see all the files and parts are there. So now I have an option to select all or select certain ones that I would like. And then if I want, I can extract just the files I want or everything. It'll actually extract it and have it put it back into my Mastercam directories. I hope you find this helpful.